Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You guys asked me to show you another free way of doing affiliate marketing with Facebook. And today I'm going to show you how to make money with Facebook by promoting your affiliate offer, your own product, your course, your mailing list, or whatever you want. And I'm not talking about shoveling that product to your Facebook friends. I'm not talking about Facebook fan pages. I'm not talking about spamming Facebook groups. And also, I'm going to show you some really important tips, so make sure to watch entire video. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. First thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche, and that niche should be something that you are familiar with, something that you like, for example, your hobby. Why? Because it's easier to promote products if you actually know what you're talking about. And to find those products, you can use ClickBank, you can use JVZoo, you can use Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. For this example, I am going to use ClickBank. And because we are talking about making money online, I will click here on e-business and e-marketing. And now I will sort this by gravity. And ClickBank will give me all the products in this category. Now, you need to check, are there any products in that niche, and you need to check all of those products to see, are there good products, can you actually promote them, and can you actually make money by promoting those products. Because if there is no products, or if those are not good products, it will be really hard to promote them and it will be really hard to make money. Now when we found our niche and when we found products, now we need to actually create our own audience where we can actually promote these products. And for that, we are going to use Facebook. And I'm not talking about pushing these products to your Facebook friends. I'm not talking about Facebook fan pages. I'm not talking about spamming Facebook groups. I'm talking about creating your own Facebook group. Facebook is pushing groups because groups have lots of activity. People go in groups and make posts. People share posts from different pages in those groups. People start discussions. There is lots of activity in groups, and that is why Facebook is pushing groups. Now, to create your own group, what you need to do, you need to go here in upper right corner and click on this plus, and then click on group. And now you need to choose your group name. And we are talking about making money online, so you just give name Make Money Online. Of course, you will be more creative. I'm making this group just for this video, for this example. You should be more creative. You should give some catchy name to your group, and that name should contain your main keyword. For this example, make money online or affiliate marketing. But like I said, it should be catchy to catch people's eye. Now you need to choose privacy. You can choose public or private. I always choose private because private groups tend to have more members. Because if someone wishes to see what is going on in that group, or if someone shares something from that group with their friends, if their friends wish to see that post, they will need to join that group. And that is why private groups usually have more members. But you can set it as a public group, and later you can change that to be private group if you want. Now, visibility. Okay, I will leave it as a visible, obviously. And now you need to invite your friends. If you want, you don't have to, but I would actually advise to call your friends, to invite your friends. After that, click on create. And you created your first Facebook group. And your group cannot be empty. You need to add some graphic, you need to add cover photo for your group in order to make it look nicer, in order to look professional. To do that, you can go on Canva and click here on custom size. And you need to choose a size of 1640 with 856 pixels. That is the size of cover image for Facebook groups. And you can create your cover from scratch, as you can see, or you can choose one of their templates, and you can customize these templates any way you want. Now, I will not create that cover here right now because I don't want this video to be way too long. I already made one, so I will go back on Facebook and I will click here on edit. And now I will click on upload photo and I need to find it from my desktop. This is the image, click open, and Facebook will now upload that image as a cover photo for my group. As you can see, save changes, give it a second, and that's it. This is my cover photo. And your group should not be empty. You should start adding posts immediately. Even if your group have just 5 or 10 members, or you are getting just 1 or 2 members per day, you should post every day in this group. You should go on Google and find good articles in your niche on big websites and share those articles in your group. Start polls. Do everything you can to make more engagement, to make more activity in your group, because the more your group active is, the more Facebook will promote it and the more members you will get. And like I said, you can invite all of your friends to join your group. In one of my previous videos, I actually showed you how to create a niche Facebook profile and how to add 5,000 friends. I will leave you a link in description to that video so you can watch it. And let's say you have 4,000 or 5,000 friends, let's say 4,000 friends. And if you invite all 4,000 friends who are in that niche to join your group, at least 500 of your friends will join that group. So you are not starting from zero, you are starting with 500 members in that group. You can also collaborate with Facebook fan pages. You share their page on your group and they share your group on their page. You can also collaborate with other groups. You share their group in your group, they share your group in their group. You should also share your Facebook group in other social media. Share it on Instagram, share it on Twitter, on Pinterest, on YouTube, on all the other social media. And like I said, the more your group is active, the more Facebook will promote it and more members you will get. And you should do everything in order to make it more active. And you should make posts every day, share tips and advices, share quotes, share viral posts, make polls. To make polls, just click here on to make a post and then click on these 3 dots and you can share GIFs. GIFs usually works really well. You can start poll, you can start watch party, you can tag new members and so on and so on, and all of that will boost your group activity. And like I said, the more your group is active, the more Facebook will promote it and more members you will get. Now, people who have groups that have 10,000 members, they say that their groups are getting 50, 60, and really active groups get 100,000 visits every month from their members. And let's say you make 15 or 20 sales every month and you make $30 per sale. That is at least $500 per month from just one group that has just 10,000 members. And I actually talked with people who have groups that have 40, 50, 60,000 members, and they say that they are making from $1,000 all the way to $4,000 per month. So how do you actually make money with Facebook groups? You can actually go in that group and you can click here and you can make posts. You can share your ClickBank affiliate product. You can share your mailing list. You can share your course, your own product, your dropshipping product, or whatever you want. And then you can actually pin that post on top. And every time when someone enters that group, first post that they will see will be your post. And like I said, if your group is getting 50, 60,000 visits every month, you will make at least 10, 15, 20 sales every month, and you will make at least $500 every month, totally free with Facebook. So this is how you do affiliate marketing for free with Facebook. Guys, if you wish to learn how to make perpetual income, I will leave you a link in description. For those of you who don't know what perpetual income means, that means that you will make money month after month after month after month. And all you have to do is just set up the system and maintain the system, and you will have enough time for yourself, and more importantly, you will have more time for your family. So like I said, I will leave you a link in description if you wish to learn how to make perpetual income. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.